Folks, this is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Welcome to the MLive Morning Weather Update. Thanks for joining me. Hey, Nathan Koski, good morning. And Jeffrey Jones joining us from Toledo this morning. Let's get right on into it. And we'll start with low temperatures this morning. We did have quite a few 31, 32 degree readings for about 1 to 2 hours even in the southern parts of lower Michigan. There you can see this was at 7 o'clock. Alma at 32 degrees. Cairo dropped 32 for an hour or so. Hillsdale 31 there. Lansing down to 32. And you go into northern parts of Michigan and Cadillac 34. So South Haven down to 31 degrees. So even some of the fruit growing areas dropped down into the freezing mark or to the freezing mark or just below. Now, right now we do have sunshine in the southern half of the state. By the way, before I get started, I should remind you that I think we're going to have an extended stretch of just beautiful weather. You know, what's beautiful at this time of the year? 60s to near 70, sunshine, light wind. And that's what we have coming, it looks like, through the weekend into maybe Monday at least. And it looks like after tomorrow morning, we're probably done with the threat of frost. That's tough to say this morning. Hey, and good morning, and thank you to our sponsor, Lush Lawn of Michigan. And, it's time to take a look at that lawn. I got to look at it with a lawnmower because even though it's not rained much, it's growing fast. So we have clouds dropping south through the state today. That's the instability with the cold air around and the warmer lakes. But, I would say that a stray shower is possible, but I would say it's not extremely likely. Here is the high resolution rapid refresh. And hey, good morning, Catherine Woods from Jackson. Tony Harris says, beautiful weather sounds great. Yes, it does, finally. So this high-resolution rapid refresh does nothing. A quick little isolated shower, that's about it. Next model that I pick up on, the North American model going out 60 hours, picks up on just absolutely nothing. So it looks like we got some great weather. Hey, if you're a roofer, do it today, and you'll have several great days. Safe to plant the garden in Albion after tomorrow morning. I would say it probably is safe. All right, let's look out into the future, well into the future, with our favorite model, the European model. And this is why I say it's going to be beautiful weather. Notice there's a big circle in the middle of the country. That's a high pressure center. High pressure is heavy air. Heavy air sinks. Sinking air is a drying, compressed air, as opposed to all precipitation. If you boil my job down into just one statement every day, is I got to figure out if the air is rising, causing precipitation, because rising air is what causes precipitation. Hey, 95th birthday for Dad on Sunday. Looks like a great day for it. Now, look at Thursday. The high pressure center just about over Michigan. That tends to lead to sunshine, light winds, and the sunshine now has power. So we're not getting a warm up from a strong southerly wind bringing the air from, say, the southern plains or something like that, or the Gulf of Mexico just yet. That'll happen by about Monday or Tuesday. But we're getting the warm up on the power of the sunshine, and that's like a 2-degree warm up every day. So Friday, work Skipper Friday. I may do it. MLive will never know, will they? So there's Friday afternoon and evening. Again, no isobars, none of the little black squiggly lines across the state, which means a very light wind, 5-10 miles an hour. You can get a lake breeze that develops in the afternoon and shocks you a little bit, but that lake breeze is getting less and less as we go into May, but it's still possible. So keep the jacket with you if you're going to be walking along, say, a Great Lakes beach or something like that. Saturday, look at this. the high pressure holding tight. Now, is that a sign that we're going to have a tough time getting rain in the summer? Is this high pressure aloft going to keep coming back and be persistent and continue the drought? That's the problem we are looking at right now. Sunday, someone's 95th birthday for their dad, and this is Sunday afternoon. And look at that. That's nice once again. The next rain trying to come at us on Monday, maybe in southern sections. Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we finally get into a southerly wind. Look at where the storm track for the winter type storms has gone. It's gone way up to the top of the screen. That's almost a sign that we can say there's no way it's coming back. It's pretty close to being that way. Now, this is Thursday, and this would be a strong southwest wind. It would be a warm wind, and then it would bring moisture in. So really, we have quite a bit of warmth coming on the way. Or I shouldn't say warmth, but beautiful weather, okay? One more morning possible of frosting temperatures from Lansing to Grand Rapids to Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, even down into northern Indiana. Freeze temperatures, Cadillac, northward, away from the water in Traverse City. You could be 29. You could be 29 in Kingsley and in Grawn, Michigan, and Interlaken. And the UP would be in the 20s also. And then Thursday morning, we inch it up a degree or two more, probably out of the frosting temperatures except for the cold pockets interior. Friday morning, it's cool. And that's another thing I want to emphasize, that in this dry air, calm air, you're going to cool off at night and be fairly chilly right at sunrise, and then the sunshine will take over after that. Saturday morning, look at that, low temperatures 40 to 45 degrees. So that's still a jacket right at sunrise. And Sunday, tack on a couple of degrees to that into the 40s. Monday, low temperatures nearing 50 degrees. So get my formula of a couple of degrees warmer every day. Today will still be fairly cool. Low 40s or low 50s rather in the southern half of the state. Saginaw, Bay City, Midland, Grand Rapids. You got 54, but if the sun's out, it feels warmer than that. Now tomorrow we jump to the low 60s. We call it 60 to 63 in most places. And then Thursday, we're heading toward the mid to upper 60s. Friday, we're heading into the upper 60s, flirting with 70. Dry soil, too, warms up faster. Barry Schaefer, when are you going to wear your beach shirt? It's coming. Maybe Friday. But you can see this is a slow warm-up. So this is Friday. This is Saturday, about 70 degrees. This is Sunday, 70 to 72, we'll call it. And this is Monday, about 70 also. And I think we'll spend much of next week in the 70s for high temperatures. One last thing for you. Climate Prediction Center's extended forecast. Okay, flash in the pan. Here's the 6 to 10 day forecast. Warmer than normal conditions. 8 to 14 days strengthens the chance of warmer than normal conditions. 3 to 4 week forecast in the first week of June is for warmer than normal conditions. So it looks like we've shaken this cold spell that we've had, the last cold spell. Gabby Perez, the weather app was way off. I'm not sure which weather app you're talking about. Let me know about that. Lynn Harris, can we plant flowers? You know, I would wait one more morning, tomorrow morning, and then I think you'll be okay. Heading to a weekend for Cleveland Saturday. Will it be warm? Chris Pavlica. Let's go back to Cleveland. Let's see here. What's Cleveland going to do? Cleveland will be this weekend. Should be about like us. Saturday looks great with sunshine. Sunday looks pretty good. Should be dry. Maybe a stray shower. And I'm going to say they're going to be about 60 like we are. And again, if you're on the water, you can get that lake breeze off of Lake Erie. There you have it. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. That's brought to you by Lush Lawn. Check them out on Google. And thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Tuesday. Bye.